Why are my Instagram highlights not showing? Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to fix this problem. So first you need to go to Google Play Store to update your Instagram app. Then once you've opened your Google Play Store, search the Instagram app. Now once the update button shows up, tap on update. Second method you're going to do is go to your Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the three lines at the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. Then you need to scroll down, then find the hide story and live. Then here you need to make sure that you didn't hide your story and live. Now for the third method, go to settings and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps. Then search for Instagram. And then tap on storage. And then right here, you need to clear cache and clear all data. Now for the last method that you're going to do is go back to your Instagram. Now here on the profile page, tap on edit profile and then switch on professional mode. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.